We have delivered nearly 1,000 trucks in this Minetruck class. They work underground in tough conditions around the globe. Now it is time for the next step. My name is Marcus Lundberg and I work as a global product manager for the trucks at Epiroc. This is Minetruck MT2200. It is based on our Minetruck MT2010, known for carrying loads up the ramp fast, and its reliability, known for being easy to maneuver and easy to service and easy to maintain. Minetruck MT2200 has all the strengths of its predecessor, but we have added more. They also share a high degree of components and parts. But instead of a 20-ton capacity, it carries 22 tons with the same speed, boosting productivity by up to 10%. It has also been optimized to move more ore to a higher efficiency. Safety, always our primary focus. Let's have a look at a few examples. The operator's compartment is ISO FOPS-ROPS certified, and the truck has SAHR brakes in the wheel ends and safety locks that can be used in the articulation area and when the dump box is raised. Minetruck MT2200 also has a rear camera, 3 emergency stops, and can be equipped with a brake apply function when the door is open on the cabin. But this truck has a lot more to offer. The forward-facing cabin is designed with comfort and ergonomics in mind, and noise levels are kept low. There is a user-friendly color display with touch functionality, and controls are within easy reach. Minetruck MT2200 is also available with a canopy that is side-seated for bidirectional operations. It also has the clear color display and a user-friendly joystick, making it easy to operate. Increased productivity, safety and operator comfort are important to us, but so are service and maintenance. To keep the truck up and running is vital for operations. On Minetruck MT2200, daily inspections are easily made and service points easy to reach and can be handled safely. When it's time for component replacements, solutions like trunnion caps make it happen in no time. And with Certic, our telematics system, you can improve your maintenance planning and follow-up. MT2200 is a trusty machine that can be configured to suit your needs. It's comfortable, easy to handle, and reliable. And it carries its payload at high speed to boost productivity. The Minetruck MT2200 will make a difference for you.